I've been searching, follow every step, every road, every single trace.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at my Sennheiser HD595s. So yeah, I've had these headphones for a very long time. I'm guessing, I don't know, 8 years maybe. So yeah, they've seen better days, let's just say that. But honestly, they actually held up alright for being that old. I have not changed anything on them or fixed anything yet. So the drivers both work, but I think one of the drivers is, I can't remember which side, under heavier load base, is a little bit faulty. Anyways, around that time they had actually a recall, which I didn't know about back in the day, with this problem here. This plastic was cracking and breaking just like this. So I'm really easy with my stuff and I take care of it, so this kind of just naturally happened over time on its own. So this side actually completely fell apart, so I just put tape on it to hold it together, so I'm probably gonna have to do that here soon. Anyways, they still work and they sound great. Honestly, to this point I don't think there's anything that sounds better than these, in my opinion, at least straight to the phone or to the source. I did have more higher ends like 650s and stuff like that with amps and stuff like that, so these actually are pretty impressive for what they are. So anyway, so today we're going to be looking at these cups because these padded inserts, they are destroyed, as you can see, completely, and I've been wanting to change them because it's basically impossible to use now. So I went to Amazon and I found pads for the headphones, and they're made by Geekria, I guess. So, and this is what they're good for. Alright, so let's see how the new ones look. Oh, look at that, it comes with a tool. That's pretty cool, I guess, to help you get the old ones off. Alright, so they do look very similar. Okay, so yeah, pretty nice actually. They're pretty identical looking. Actually, I was looking at this right here, what this was. I definitely didn't have this, and I think I removed mine, so maybe this is something I can put in there like that. I don't think I'm going to do that because I don't want anything obstructing my pure sound out of these puppies. Alright guys, so the next step would be to try to get the old ones out, which I think before what I did is just, since these are old and ripped anyways, I think I'm just going to pull on them. Well, I don't know if you can see, but it kind of separates right there. So maybe I will use the tool, since they gave it to me, to try to pry on it. Right in between there. Trying to be careful though, not to ruin the driver. There we go, that was actually pretty easy. Once it started popping off, it just came right on. Oh man, these are old. Ugh. So I guess the new one, that just clicks right here, just like it has little clippers. But yeah, I can tell this paper right here is worn out. It's like all soggy looking. If you guys can see a little better now. It's a little wrinkled. It's okay. Alright, I guess let's go ahead and take off this one too. We'll pop them both off, and then we'll pop the new ones on. A little bit harder to get to for some reason. There it goes. Once a couple clip off, they just come right off. So. Man, they look so thin without the cushions, the pads. Alright, so here are the two old ones, and here's the two new ones. So one of the things I noticed already for some reason is the color is a little different on them. I don't know if you can see, guys. It's like brown, this is like more black. That's kind of weird. Maybe not anymore. Maybe it was just that area. Look at that. Strange. Maybe there's an up and down to these guys. Anyways, I guess I'll install them like this so they look the same. Yeah, very similar indeed. Alright, let's put these new ones on and see how they feel. So I guess all we do is we just put it in here. And then we just push on it, I'm guessing. Yep, there it goes, it's snapping in. That's it. It's snapped in. Perfect. I'm just going to put it in and push on it. That's it. Simple as that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to put them on. Oh yeah, they're definitely a little bit firmer though. I can feel that they're firmer, which is okay. Maybe because they're just brand new. These old ones seem to be, I don't know if they're just old, but they're a lot more lush or soft. So I'm really happy that I still have these things actually, because they are my favorite headphones out of all the headphones that I've ever had or listened to so far. So I do want to get some better ones maybe eventually, but for now these are more than enough. I actually have the HD595s, which have been great, but they're more bassy than these. These are very accurate compared to anything else that I've listened to. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you got headphones like this and you need to fix your pads on your drivers, it's pretty simple. They just click out and click in. So I'll leave a link in the description of where to get them on Amazon. So they're actually a really good deal, fair price for, you know, for replacing your old ones. So thanks for watching, and check out my other videos on this channel and subscribe to see more. And if you do want to get some pretty good headphones, go with the HD598s. That should be still for sale. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.